acid base balance, our new topic name of this biochemistry, that is the ABB, acid base balance. First of all, what is the importance of the acid base balance? Means ki what is the important characteristic of the acid and the base? We are already discussed into a basic premise factors, basic things into your 12th science, 11th science. What is acid, what is base, what is strong acid, what is weak acid, strong base, weak base, right? These are all a condition, means ki we are studied, but nowadays we are studying in a human being related, human things related to study about acid and base factor. How the acid and base balance which is observed our regular physiological conditions, right? Let us talk about the importance of the acid and base. The blood pH plays a very important role in the maintenance of the body's homeostasis. Homeostasis means a body's internal environment which are going to be proper, means ki acid and base who gives us to internal environment which is in a balanced. pH which is influence the ionization of the group of the amino acid, proteins, nucleic acid and the phospholipids, means ki pH of this acid and base influence means ki following for the ionizations of the group by the amino acids, proteins, nucleic acid and the phospholipids. The pH of the plasma which is normally stabilized between a range is the 7.35 and 7.45, which is slightly a basic, means ki which is neutral, which is 7, and the higher of the 7 which is the basic, lower of the 7 this is called as the acidic. This is the specific pH who normally stabilized by the plasma. pH range of 7 to 7.8 is compatible with the life, means ki the pH range is between 7, this is the neutral, 7 to 7.8 which is compatible with the life. Next one, pH is measure of the hydrogen ion activity, means ki pH which is measured of the hydrogen ion activity. Obviously a negative logarithmically of hydrogen ion, this is called as the acid and the balance, acid base factor H plus and OH minus. This is the H plus proton donor, acceptor OH minus, this is base, this is the base, means ki this is activity between the hydrogen factor. It is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentrations, means ki H plus in moles per the liters. Acid, any compound which forms H plus ions in a solutions, means ki proton donor, in fact means ki H plus. Example, carbonic acid who released by the H plus ions, this is called as the acid. What is called as the base? Any compound which combines with the hydrogen ion in solutions, means ki proton acceptor. Example, bicarbonate means ki HCO3 minus, which is accept for the H plus ions, right? This is the difference between acid and the base, right? Here is the release of the H plus and this is the H plus ions acceptor HCO3 minus. This is called as the base. Next one. This normal pH which is 7.35 to 7.45. This is normal. We are already studied in introduction slide of the acid base balance. What is called as the acidosis? This is important for your 1 mark question. The physiological state resulting from abnormally low plasma pH, means ki the normal level of the plasma pH which are going to be less or the lower, this is called as the acidosis. What is called as the alkylosis? This is also 1 mark question. In a physiological state resulting abnormal high plasma pH, means ki the plasma pH which is going to be higher, means ki 7 up. This is the reason it is 7 plus, so it's high, and this is the below 7, this is 7 minus, means ki below to the acidosis, means ki going to the acidosis. This is the reason, this is the language what are used into acidosis and the alkalosis. Acidemia, the plasma which is plasma pH, means ki our body's plasma pH which is the blood plasma less than 7.35, and alkylemia, the pH, plasma pH which is greater than 7.45. Now buffer system. How the buffer system react in our body? There are in three types, that are carbonic group and non-bicarbonic group. These are the most common chemical buffer groups which are appear into the buffer system, that is the bicarbonate and non-bicarbonate. Now non-bicarbonate, it's have the hemoglobin, protein and the phosphate. There are the three type of the non-bicarbonate buffer system which are appear. Then after, the blood buffer system act as the intravenously, means ki intravenously means ki in our body, blood's basically connective tissue. If the blood pH which is going to be abnormal, which is caused for the many abnormalities of the normal physiological conditions. Regulate the pH by binding or releasing the hydrogen ion, which is regulated pH by the binding or releasing by the hydrogen ion. Next one, carbonic acid bicarbonate buffer system, means ki this is the first carbonic acid bicarbonate buffer system. The carbon dioxide, first of all, very toxic. The most body cells constantly generate the carbon dioxide, means ki our body cells who are generate to constantly the CO2. Most carbon dioxide which is converted to carbonic acid, means ki most of the dioxide, carbon dioxide which is converted into the carbonic acid and which is dissociated into the hydrogen and a bicarbonate ions, means ki which is converted into the carbonic acid, into the hydrogen and a bicarbonate ions, which prevents changes in pH caused by organic acid and fix the acid into the extracellular fluid, means ki changes who prevent changes in the pH who causes by the organic acid and fix the acid into the extracellular fluid, which cannot protect by the extracellular fluid from changes in the pH that results from elevated or depress the level of the CO2, means ki which cannot protect to the extracellular fluid from to the changes of the pH that elevated depressed level, means ki if the level of the CO2 which are depressed, which is going to be elevated, which are not protected by the extracellular fluid. Right, next one, functions only when respiratory system and respiratory control central which are working normally. Why? Because which is related of the CO2, so which is continuously CO2 which are released from to our body and oxygen which are taking from to the environment. This is the normally related to the respiratory factor. Ability to buffer acid which is limited by availability of the bicarbonate ions, means ki which is ability by the buffer acids limited by the availability of the bicarbonate ions. Next one, acid base balance. This is the schematic factor, how the CO2 which is absorbed into this by the extracellular to intracellular factor. Now the first one, atmospheric of the carbonic acid bicarbonate system buffer, how to be react. So carbon dioxide plus water molecules, these are the reversible process, convert into the carbonic acid. Carbonic acid from to it, this is the hydrogen ion and the bicarbonate ions which are going into the extracellular, intracellular to extracellular by the alveolar cells, because only which is absorbed into the into a respiratory system. So this sodium bicarbonate ions which are causing for the sodium bicarbonate, if the sodium bicarbonate release, means ki ionized sodium and bicarbonate which are released, here one hydrogen ions which are fixed acid or organic acid by the H plus and which is causing increase the H2CO3 and increased by the CO2 and H2O. If the pH will be going to be changed by the atmosphere or any another condition, it will be impact onto the CO2, means ki toxicity factor which are appear in our body. Now hemoglobin buffer, another buffer system. So CO2 across the RBC membrane, means ki how the hemoglobin buffer system, means ki how to be affect into the blood RBC which is going to be attached with the hemoglobin, CO2 which is diffused across by the RBC membrane, no transport mechanism which is required, means ki the transport mechanism which are not required, as carbonic acid dissociate, means ki as the carbonic acid which are dissociate, what is that impacted factor? So bicarbonate ions which is diffused into the plasma in exchange for the chloride ions, means ki chloride shift. If the exchange of the chloride ions which are shift to another factor, the bicarbonate which are diffused into the plasma membrane which are rate is very higher. Hydrogen ions are buffered by hemoglobin molecules, means ki hydrogen ions which are buffered by the hemoglobin molecules is the only intracellular buffer system with an immediate effect onto the extracellular fluid pH, means ki which is immediately effect onto the extracellular fluids pH. Helps to prevent major changes in pH when plasma, this is the pressuridic of the PCO which is rising and falling. If the major pH will be changes, means ki CO2 level which is going to the pressuridic factor of the CO2 which are impacted on it, this is the higher or the lesser, right? This is the buffer system by the hemoglobin system.